Now we will solve questions from practice set 9.1. Practice set 9.1. Question number 1. Length, breadth and height of a cuboid shaped box of medicine is 20 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm respectively. Find the surface area of vertical faces, means vertical surface area of a cuboid, and total surface area of this box. Length, breadth and height of a cuboid shaped box of medicine is 20 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm. Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of this box. Solution. Vertical surface area of the box means vertical surface area of cuboid equal to 2 times of length plus breadth into height. 2 times of length plus breadth into height. Now substitute values equal to 2. Length is given 20, breadth is given 12 and height is given 10. Length is 20, breadth is 12 and height is 10. So substitute here length 22 into 20 plus 12 into 10. Now first open this bracket. 2 into 20 plus 12 is 32 into 10. So 2 into 32 into 10 is 640 square centimeter or centimeter square. So vertical surface area of the box equal to 640 square centimeter. Now you have to find out total surface area of the box. Means total surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 times of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Again substitute values for length, breadth and height. So 2 times of 20 into 12 plus 12 into 10 plus 20 into 10 equal to 2 times of 240 plus 120 plus 200 equal to 2 into 560 equal to 1120 square centimeter. So total surface area of the box equal to 1120 centimeter square. Vertical surface area of the box equal to 640 square centimeter and total surface area of the box is 1120 square centimeter. Now question number 2. Total surface area of a box of cuboid shape is 500 square unit. Its breadth and height is 6 unit and 5 unit respectively. What is the length of that box? Again figure is cuboid. So total surface area of a cuboid or box equal to 2 times of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Here total surface area of a cuboid is given and it is 500. So substitute here 500 equal to 2. Length is not given. You have to find out length into, but breadth is 6. So substitute here 6 plus again B into H means 6 into 5. Breadth is 6 and height is 5 plus length into height. Length is not given into height is 5 into 5. Now simple transposition 500 divided by 2 equal to 6 into L 6L plus 6 into 5 30 plus L into 5 means 5L. 500 divided by 2 is 250. 250 equal to 6L plus 5L is 11L plus 30. So 250 minus 30 equal to 11L. 250 minus 30 equal to 11L. Therefore 220 equal to 11L. Therefore 220 upon 11 equal to L. Therefore L equal to 20 units. So length of the box is 20 units. Now question number 3. Side of a cube is 4.5 centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area of the cube. Side of a cube is 4.5 centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area of the cube. So solution. Vertical surface area of the cube equal to 4 into L square. 4 into L square and L is the edge of a cube. So vertical surface area of the cube equal to 4 into L square equal to 4 into and L is given. Side of a cube is given 4.5. So 4 into L square means 4.5 into 4.5 equal to 81 centimeter square. So vertical surface area of the cube equal to 81 centimeter square. Now total surface area of the cube equal to 6 into L square. 6 into L square. So equal to 6 into 4.5 into 4.5. So equal to 121.5 square centimeter. So total surface area of the cube equal to 121.5 square centimeter. Now question number 4. Total surface area of a cube is 5400 square centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces of the cube. Total surface area is given. Total surface area of a cube is 5400 square centimeter. So find the surface area of all vertical faces of the cube. Means you have to find out vertical surface area of a cube. Solution. So total surface area of the cube formula is 6 into L square. But total surface area is given 5400. So substitute here 5400 equal to 6 into L square. Now simple transposition 5400 upon 6 equal to L square. Therefore L square equal to 900 square centimeter. L square equal to 900 square centimeter. Now taking square root. So vertical surface area of the cube. Okay, you can keep this L square as it is, because again you have to substitute here. Now vertical surface area of a cube equal to 4 into L square, and L square is 900 centimeter square. So here for L square substitute 900, means 4 into 900 equal to 3600 square centimeter. So vertical surface area of a cube is 3600 square centimeter. Vertical surface area of a cube is 3600 square centimeter or centimeter square.